I'm pleased for the commitment, for Michi's commitment, because he tried to work for the team, he tried to help us, and for sure the striker, he wants to score, no? He wants to score, and but as I said before, I'm pleased for his commitment, for his work for the team. He has to continue to work, to improve. Don't forget, Michi is another young player, and he has a lot of space for improvement in his career.